Website, my6030.com. We're standing here in his collection, surrounded by how many 6030s?
Several.
More than I've seen in one place. What is your background, or how did you get involved with John Deere? Why John Deere? Because that seems to be all that's in here.
John Deere is what I was basically raised with, grew up with. That's what our family uses on the farm, and what we absolutely love.
And the 6030, obviously his favorite, and why
we never had a 6030 on the farm, but just one of the things when you're growing up, maybe a neighbor had one, or you hear stories about them, or you go to the tractor pull and you see one. I guess I feel like it's the meanest tractor Deere built in the era when fuel was cheap and iron was cheap, and the heritage iron era.
I'm pretty impressed with them too, and as you know, I'm an Oliver girl. If I had to have a John Deere tractor, I would gladly take a 6030. What do you think, in your collection, what is the most important tractor that you got? The most historic?
I would say this was the first 6030 built, serial number 33,000.
First one built?
First one off the line.
How did you find this?
It was basically luck, just being in the right place at the right time. I was trying to find the first serial number they had on the books and wore out the phone trying to find it. And one of my friends came across this one and called me. It was just
So aside from collecting tractors and restoring tractors, what else do you do?
well, I raise hogs and feed cattle on the farm, but the 6030s have been a big part of my, I guess, what free time I have. And it's kind of a hobby that's grown into a lot more than a hobby. We now have 4 full-time employees and offer parts for sale and buy and sell tractors and restore tractors. We offer basically anything that needs to be done to a 6030. But, not to say that I want people to bring me their tractors to fix, but
you provide the parts.
we provide parts, and we focus more on the, I guess, finding the right tractor for somebody looking for one.
you, what's the best way to do that?
Go to our website, my6030.com, or probably the easiest way would be to call my cell phone number. My wife may not exactly like that sometimes, but it's 217-246-3445.